Hey guys, so lately I've been watching a lot of videos and content about digital products and AI. And to many, that is the new way for you to make sales online. But for others, that is exactly the problem. But as the old phrase goes, if you can beat them, why not join them? Today I am here to talk about a product that not only you can sell it as a digital product, but it will also help you advertise your sticker or t-shirt business. In all, it is a good way for you to self-promote your business in a digital way. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is good to make local sales from decals and t-shirts, but why only rely on local sales or physical products at all? Unfortunately, many are struggling to sell online because they only rely on that and they don't have a digital product that they can offer or to compete with. So we have something that might interest you. We developed a software called Luminosa, and it is a editing and designing software that you can use or that you can sell it as a digital product. And it will also help you promote your t-shirt and decal business. So here's how it works. Let's pretend that I am a side hustler and I do designs with AI for Christian designs, and I do want to outsource DTF transfers or even screen printing transfers. So that is the reason why I bought your software, because I need to edit these designs. But this pop out here will always pop out every time I open this file, and this pop out will have your business information, so that way I'm always reminded that I can outsource my products with you. And that is how simple this idea works. So if you have a vinyl cutter or a printer and you can do like DTF transfers or even screen printing transfers, decals, HTV designs, or even small die cut stickers, then this is a good way for you to advertise those services on this program. And don't forget, you can also sell this digital product too. So you will make money by selling it as a digital product, and you will also self-advertise your business. So if you are interested, we will need your email address that we will place here, and we will also need a URL of your Facebook page, or if you have a website, we will need the URL of your website, so that way people can contact you directly through there and get an estimate from you. And don't worry about learning how to use this program if you don't want to, because this program has tutorials on where we show them how this program works, and also tutorials on design ideas. So if people buy your product and they contact you, they will have their design ready for you to just print it for them. By the way, if you are a premium member in our YouTube channel, you can now request this program, so we can fully customize your store into this program, so we can send it to you and you can start selling this product right away on Etsy, eBay, or any other online store that you want. If you're not a member, you can also buy this program. I will leave the information below where it will take you to our online store and you can buy it there, and we will require some information like your URL and your email address, so that way we can integrate it and then send you the file. And before I go, I want to close with this. We're living in a different world, in a digital world, and the best way for you to compete and make sales online is by selling digital products. So very soon we are going to introduce more digital products that you can sell on your RDI premium account. So stay tuned for that, because you'll be able to sell calculator for pricing small stickers and a system for making or designing business cards. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you did, of course, make sure you subscribe too, because we have more interesting videos about the decal and t-shirt business. Thank you guys. We'll see you again pretty soon.